Hello my friends, today let us learn how to display any of your image in OLED screen using Arduino. The materials which we require are one Arduino Uno, one OLED screen. In OLED screen you can see there are 4 pins. So you need to connect these pins with the pins of Arduino Uno. Now we have to take one breadboard with some jumper wires. Now let us start the connections. We need to connect SDA of OLED with pin A4 of Arduino, SCL of OLED with pin A5 of Arduino Uno, VCC of OLED to 5 volt of Arduino Uno, ground of OLED to ground of Arduino Uno. Moving towards the coding part, we need to install 2 libraries. For installing these libraries, go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Library. Search for SSD, install Adafruit SSD 1306. Here you can see that. And then again search for GFX, install Adafruit GFX library. I've already installed it, you need to install it. We will be calling 3 header files here. First one is wire. This wire header file allows us to set a communication between Arduino and I2C device. Then the second header file is Adafruit GFX library. This is a graphic core library which is used for graphics purposes. And the third library is Adafruit SSD 1306. This is the library for OLED. Now we have to define width and height of the image. So first defining width with 128 value and height with the value of 64. Now let us call the display function. This is the syntax for display Adafruit SSD 1306. In the parameters you have to write the width, height. The width is, we know that it's 128, the height we know that it's 64. We will be giving address of wire using ampersand sign, and -1 is the reset option. Here we have to store our data in flash memory rather than SRAM. OLED will take data from flash memory, so we have to use program variable utility. This is the syntax of program utility, which is static, constant, unassigned integer and program. Then we have to write the variable name for data. I am taking it as robotics cafes. You can give it any name XYZ. Here I am leaving some spaces because we need to store our data. I will be explaining you how to get the data of our image later in this video. Now we have to write our code in such a way that if Arduino is not able to catch the OLED address, then in serial computer it must show that SSD 1306 installation is failed or SSD 1306 failed. So for that we will be starting serial communication using serial.begin with a baud rate of 115200, which means that 115200 data of information will be transmitted per second. Then we will be taking if statement, and using not operator we will be giving the following syntax. This syntax means that if inbuilt boolean variable address of SSD 1306 is not initialized, then it will give output as it is failed. Here 0x3c indicates that content in variable will be a hexadecimal number. Sometimes depending on the OLED you have to change the hexadecimal value to 0x3d. So you have to try both. If 0x3c is not working, you have to try with 0x3d. Now you have to come out of this if statement by passing empty for loop. Now we have to display bitmap on screen. Before that, it is better if you clear the screen using display.clear display function. Don't forget to put the semicolon. Then we will be drawing bitmap using display.bitmap function. In the argument of this display.bitmap function, we have to initialize its position, which is 0, 0, which is origin position, and then the data name, which was image underscore robotics cafe, followed by the color, where 1 indicates white color. Instead of 1, you can use you can write white also, white in capital WHITE, but I am using 1 only. Then you can display the final bitmap using display.display function. Now in the last part of this coding, we have to give the data of the image to program m variable. You can see we have left some spaces here. So let's learn how to get the data of image. So let me take any photo from my desktop. I want to display my channel's logo in my OLED. So I'm taking this image. We need to resize it. Width should be 128 and height 64. Save the copy and rename it. Now we have to change the format of this image to monochrome bitmap. So I am using Paint. As I'm having Windows system, you can use any of the softwares which you are having. Open with Paint and save as in monochrome bitmap format and click OK to all the pop-ups. Now you have to download the LCD image converter. If you are not having LCD image converter, see in my description, you can see the link and download it. Now you have to insert your monochrome bitmap image in this LCD image converter. So go to File, open your photo, and then go to the options and then conversion. Set the preset as monochrome and type also to monochrome. You can inverse if you wish. I have done that. Then click on the show preview. So here you can see our data. You need to copy it and paste it in our Arduino environment. So here in Arduino environment, we are going to paste it. Here we can paste it. Don't forget to put semicolon after the curly braces. Now let us compile it. You can see they are done compiling, no error is there. Now let's upload. And hence successfully uploaded. Now let's see what is the output.